Hey guys, it's Asia. Welcome back to another DIY. So in this DIY, I'm going to be making a crop top, and the first thing that I'm going to do is cut off the top of this dress. Once I do that, I'm going to take a straight edge and mark where I want the bottom of the shirt to be. So now I have what looks like a tube top, so I'm going to flip the shirt inside out, pin down the edges, and sew them into place so that it creates a finished edge. So this is what the shirt looks like after I finish sewing it, and as you guys can kind of see, I haven't quite figured out how to sew in a straight line. I'm working on it. And next we're going to go back to the straps that we cut off the dress, and we're going to take those straps completely off of the dress and going to use them to make some new sleeves. To kind of guesstimate how long I needed the straps to be, I just wrapped the whole strap around my arm and marked where I wanted to cut it. Then I pinned the straps to both sides of the shirt and I sewed them into place. And here is the finished product, and I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. I think adding the straps was definitely a good idea because it just helps the shirt to stay up. So hopefully this video gave you guys some inspiration on how to take something old and flip it into something new. So let me know down in the comments what you guys thought about this DIY, and I will see you guys in the next video.